Jack's our captain.
Yeah, Jack's the captain. You're the first mate.
First mate.
Here we go. They got Jackie stripping out here in front of everybody. Jackie, he's stripping down. Jack is. Our captain is. I don't know what he's doing. And here's the captain's wife. She's come to say goodbye to her husband. This could be their last farewell. Yeah. We named the ship the Titanic.
No, it's the Spirit of America.
Spirit of America.
That's the way it's registered.
That would probably be better than the Titanic. You're probably right. Well, you said your goodbyes already, Iris. Is that all you're going to say to him?
Yeah, he didn't even look at me.
Well, you ought to come up here and say goodbye or something to him. You know, you ought to be some kind of a farewell kiss or something here. Undressed.
Jack, come over here. Let me get a picture.
This is their farewell kiss.
Jack.
Has he got good life insurance, Iris?
Yeah.
Does he? Good. So you don't care if the boat makes it or not then, is that right? Huh?
Don't talk that.
No, I can't take the camera on. We'll get back over here to the first mate in the cheering squad.
Yay!
Yay!
Go, Spirit of America.
Go, Spirit of America. Chris looks like he's a bear. He ain't shaved in 3 weeks. We can't have a first mate look like that. Keep stroking. Keep stroking. Keep stroking, Chris. Practice your stroke. Practice it.
I'm ready.
You're ready. He's ready. Chris is ready.
Tell Jack to get over here. I want to taste.
Alrighty.